Welcome to Gimignano Cozzi Venezia 1765 showroom. I'm Valentina, in charge of business development for this Venetian brand, and I will guide you through the discovery of our most significant collections. Pure white collections by Gimignano Cozzi are produced in fine bone china, the top-of-the-range porcelain, more elegant, more translucent, more chip resistant and lighter compared to traditional porcelain. The Torino collection is distinguished for its particular relief design in Art Deco style, a brilliant ivory color, and with an extra reinforced edge. It consists of a wide range of items, created for several different styles of use, for professional requirements of hotels and restaurants, for banqueting and catering, and also suitable for home use. The range of flat plates consists of different sizes: 17, 21, 27, 31 and 32 cm. The deep soup plate measures 23 cm and the pasta bowl measures 28.5 cm. We'd like to give a special focus to the 32 cm flat plate with a very wide well, ideal for one-plate meals, but also can be used as a show plate to the 28.5 cm pasta bowl with a very elegant shape. These two items combine perfectly together as well as with the rest of our white collections. To complete the collection, we offer a 14 cm fruit bowl and a 23 cm salad bowl. Oval plates from 27 up to 37 cm, salt and pepper shakers, a 35 cl sauce boat, espresso and teacups with an unusually high and narrow shape, complemented by a sugar bowl with lid, 8 cl and 15 cl creamers, teapots and coffee pots with 35 and 65 cl capacity. The particular composition of bone china, with 46% of tricalcium phosphate, makes this material more elastic compared to traditional porcelain, increasing the chipping resistance of about 30%. Bone porcelain is fired at 1300 degrees. It's synonymous of elegance, translucency, lightweight, brilliance and chip resistance, ideal for all needs, both professional and domestic.